see about GitHub Student Developer Pack. So I've already given the link in the description box, so you can check that and you can just go to that website and see all these offers. So I've already opened the website here, so I can show you the offers and I can also show you how to fill the form. So here they've given all the tools. They've given student developer pack, GitHub Campus Expert, and some tools for teachers and also for schools. So now we are going to see about GitHub Student Developer Pack. So let's go there. Here they have given a short description about what GitHub Student Developer Pack is. So the main focus of this pack is to give free access to best developer tools in one place. So they've given all the offers here like Canva, Namecheap, Name.com. So all the offers are given here and they've given Microsoft Azure. You're also getting GitHub Pro and you're getting Educator. You're getting 6 month free trial and you're getting front end master for 6 months. You're getting Unity. You're getting 1 month for 30 days and you're getting many offers here and you can check out this and you're also getting interview cake. It is for 3 weeks and there are many offers given here, so I recommend you to go to this website and check because it is not possible to explain about each and every offer. So this pack is valid for 2 years, so you can apply to this pack while you're a student. So after 2 years, if you're still a student, you can again apply to this pack. So they have given all the information about what the offer is in few lines, so you can just read and you'll be getting a glance about the offers. So it is not only for computer students, so those who have not a computer major or can also apply for this pack because you're getting a lot of designing tools and you can build your projects in this designing tools and you're getting much more. So let us see how to get this pack now. So you can just click the link here that is named get your pack. As I have already got my pack, I'm not able to show you what will be appearing if I click this, but let me show you the form. So this is how the form will look. Actually when you click this, you'll be getting a message here like it will be asking are you a student or are you a teacher. You can just click I am a student and after you click you'll be getting this form. Here they have given all the benefits of GitHub Student Developer Pack and you can just read through this. And they have also given the qualifications you should have to apply this pack. They have given that you should be currently enrolled in a degree or a diploma in a high school or secondary school or college, university, anything. And you should have a school issued email address, or you can also upload some document that shows you are a student. And of course, you should have a GitHub user account and you should be at least 13 years old. So if you are qualified for all these, you can just start applying to this. They are given 3 questions. So the first is they have asked your email address that you use for your school. So if you have a school issued email address, you can use it. And sometimes we might have opened our GitHub using a personal account. If so, you can just click add an email and you can add the school issued email here. If not, you can just use your normal GitHub account and you can upload some document it asks for verifying that you are a student. If you are using your school issued or your college issued email address, the college or your school name will be automatically deducted. So in the next question, that is what your school name is, here it will be automatically filling your school name if you're using your school or college issued mail. If not, you have to fill this in correct name, correct spelling, and make sure you're giving everything properly. Then you can fill the third question, that is how do you plan to use GitHub. So make sure it is very precise and you have to verify all these because once you have submitted you cannot edit it. So check everything, your school name and your documents, and also how you're planning to use GitHub. Make sure it is very precise and you can then click on submit your information. So after you submit your information, you'll be getting a message here, like it will be saying you'll be getting a mail within an hour or within 22 days. But actually I didn't get a mail. Sometimes you'll be getting your, like, your request is approved, so make sure you'll be checking it for all those 22 days. You should go again to this website and check if your request is approved. So I got an approval message here. It is saying like, congrats, you're approved for this pack. So once you get this message, you can now go to the website of GitHub Student Developer Pack, and after you go there, you'll be getting all the link for that website. So once you click on that link, you'll be taken to that website. So let me show you one. So I will be showing you front end master. So once you click the link, you'll be getting this website here. You can log in, or you can just click on create an account. So you'll be getting 6-month free access for front end master while you have GitHub Student Developer Pack. So you can just click on create an account, or if you already have an account, just click login. And after you create an account, you can now authorize it with GitHub account. So once it is done, you will be given the offer for 6 months free access. And let me show you another also. This is next tech students. So they have given 12-month free access while you have student developer pack, and they have given sign in with GitHub. So if you are having like this message, you can just click this and you can just use your GitHub account to sign in. So make sure you go and check all the offers, and it is not needed that you should be a computer major student. It is already given all the productivity apps and all designing tools, so anyone can apply for this pack.